you guys? Welcome back for another video with your boy Bradda Dre. And we got a Cody from Yessah Fishing. Gee, it is a beautiful day that our Lord has made. Water is flat, calm, beautiful Maui out there. We also have Bradda Dave from Ohana Sport Fishing and his friend Brian coming in. This should be sick. We got some action coming up, so hope you guys are ready. What is this, 50 grams?
50 gram. Give it a shot.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go 500 yards out
Right now. Sick, bro. Yes, sir. Sick, pen battle 3. High speed.
Bro, I think something's cracking them already.
Oh yeah? First drop. First drop. Let's see what the first drop can provide. I brought my drone, but I'm gonna whip first and try to use some Tyler grubs. Hopefully catch some bait and maybe send out some live bait. Should be sick. Super beautiful day. On! Oh, he's getting whacked. Right, it's gonna come back.
Holy shit.
First drop. Yee. I see some fish chasing them. I saw some little papillo looking at my grub. Should catch some right here, right on the inside. Bat? Right, yeah. Oh, there's definitely fish there. Bro, I'll send out a live stick fish right now. Bro, I get papillo cruising around this side here. Look, I'm sticky. He's going for my stuff. Come on, baby. Shit. Stuff. Yes, I'm fishing.
Ooh, on. Fish on, guys. Yes, sir. Oh, damn it. Thing came off. No, I got him. I got him.
What do we have here? Second drop. The cinematic wizard is on. To help this guy.
Doesn't feel that heavy.
What is it? What shall it be? Boostos.
It's tight already.
Oh, you think came off?
Yeah, dang it.
Oh, bugger came off. Action already. The gang is showed up. We got Bradda Dave from Ohana Sport Fishing and his friend Brian chilling like villain. We got the dad, the father. Gotta try sample on swim bait, so send them out. All right, and it's out. We're gonna send this out on the drone. My dad bought some bait, so should be action. Hopefully we whack something. Yes, sir. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, Jake. Bring on me.
Yeah.
Alright, baby, come on. It's out there for sure. Hola, papillo. Bradda told him this size papillo. Okay, we're on.
Oh, he's on.
Are we? Oh, I think it came off.
Oh, no.
Oh, right there, no, we're on. Small. Gotta be small.
Ah.
God, 3 strikes. Ah. Oh no, we're so on. We're so on. We're definitely on.
Oh, I think he's still on.
I don't know. It's whacking the bait, but it's not whacking the hook. Maybe, or maybe on Wahoo Nui. Oh, we're on. What is that? Hug. Hug. What the heck is that?
What is that?
Wahoo Nui.
What's up?
Live bait. Yee. We got the Wahoo Nui, you guys, off the drone. Let's go. Yes, sir. Thank you, Dad, for the bait. Then I'm gonna flex on him. Big mouth. I hope my drone can handle. This is kind of heavy. This bugger going handle. Yee! Ah! Ah! Oh! Whoa, that was bad. Propeller caught in the line. That Wahoo Nui is dead, probably.
Sending the Wahoo. Oh, Dave is on again.
Yeah, Dave. Hopefully the Wahoo Nui is not completely dead. So cool. There's a cave in here. Ah, look at that. It looks so sick. Is there a way out there? Cave exploring. Adventure vlogger.
Right there, look cool.
Oh, that was cool. I came in over here. Right over here. Yeah, Cody. Right. Cinematic wizard is on.
Looks like a Wahoo Nui, huh? That was a big one, though.
Yeah.
That's a big boy.
That is. Rock climb back up.
Nice job.
That's a big boy. It's bigger than the one that you caught that first time we had at Catchnkook. Yeah. Oh, Hanui. That's a big boy. It's at least 12 inches, 13 inches.
Okay, so the treble got him. Right over here.
Yeah, that bugger wasn't going anywhere. Nice.
She still got him right there.
That's some big boy.
Major craft jig power, 50 grand.
Drone action, boys. Look at this cave. Let's check it out. Into the abyss. Oh, oh, okay. We got some cave activity here. Oh, it's so much cooler over here. There's an entrance or exit. Oh, sick, sick. Tiny little crack. Sweet, there's my way out. There's so much caves over here. Hello. There we go, brother Luke.
Oh.
How's a dozer? 9 inches maybe.
Yeah, maybe like 10.
Dozer. Oh, he's got the big. Oh snap! I got him. All right, Luke. Von Luke.
First cast?
Oh, yeah, Luke.
What's your guys' guesses?
Oh, tall one. Good size pupil.
Nah, it's definitely, I think it's a tuna or something. Maybe like felt tail.
Sweet. Oh, look at that moon though. Yeah.
Why that thing actually?
Wow.
Why that thing actually full?
That's a dozer. Girthy.
Oh, the lip.
Nice, bro.
I think cool drag too.
Yeah, you.
Yeah,
How heavy you think that is?
not that heavy, like.
Right under a
Yeah.
pound, maybe.
Yeah.
Girthy guy. Von Luke. Super. Yessah. Ulu. Sunrise jig session.
Morning action. Oh, he came off.
No.
Oh, that's a nice one.
What's that jig?
Yeah.
Oh. What was that?
Something small. Bingo, bango. Hello, baby real.
So sick. Yes, you guys, welcome back and good morning. It is a beautiful morning here. We got Luke casting out some baits and we got Bradda, the drone wizard himself, doing some drone fishing. So sick. Yes, boys. Let's go, you guys. I got some live men poaching. Let's send it out. Check this out. Me and Curbs caught some bait last night. Not much night fishing. Bradda, guys, is on it with the poachies. Bradda is on over there. Jump, skip, rock, Raja. The drone wizard is on.
Oh my god, the cornhole lip. It's spiraling.
The spinner.
So heavy. He's doing big barrels. Big barrels.
Dude, it's spinning all right.
I lassoed him. Oh, no, it's a sheevy, dude. Look at it.
Easy 20 pounder. Oh, ah.
They throw him back in the water.
Ah. That's a girthy one.
What, tangle?
Tango. Morning strike. Collab with the morning strike. Are you ready? Let's hope we can catch something. We got the live man poachy out there. All I need is one bend up for today. Kind of feels like something's whacking it or if it's just dragging on the rock. Probably the rocks. I just want one big bento. Oh, oh, oh. On! Let's go! Man! Oh, up! That's it! Here comes the sun! Woo! 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 Roy! That Roy! Yessah! Big boy! Yeah!
Holy soldier!
God, that's at least 2 pounds!
Bro,
What do you
Apache.
Woo!
Oh,
Holy shit!
Bro, thing huge. And we got the Apache.
Yessah!
Bro, that thing is huge. Oh, look at that teeth.
Savage. This is gonna be my thumbnail, I think. 16 inches, 17 inches maybe.
More than that.
This right on. Helping me land that fish.
Yeah.
On the drone, baby.
Yeah, that's true.
It's big. Oh, solid string. That boy. Big boy, Roy. Super invasive. Peacock grouper.
Oh, sick.
On the potty. Right there. I think I found it, boys. 20. Nah.
Oh, yeah.
21 inch. Mean. Yes, our boys. First drop on the Roy with the Pachi. Brought a couple of mop on. What you gonna make? Tacos.
I don't know yet.
Roy tacos. You ready?
I think like 5.8.
Ready?
Brian was the closest.
524. Nice.
Same size as that one we were at.
5.2.
Cleaning up over here. Fuhi and Roy's. This looks a little disturbing. Hole. Whoa, not the black propellers, huh, Luke? Fancy schmancy.
Drone confused. No idea what you're supposed to do. Beep, beep, beep.
Toodle poodle.
Nuts, good for nuts. Plug them in the nuts.
Oh, this bird. Stay away from my drone. Oh, I'm getting out. Take my drone out of this sky right now. There we go. Luke is on. Nice. Yeah, Luke. Nice job. Look at young boy get action. What shall it be? Oh! Yes! Fat boy! Yeah, Luke. Yes! Oh! That's the biggest one I've seen, bro. Bro, at least a pound. Maybe only 2. The organs. Bruh.
Yes,
Come on, Luke. Come on, Luke.
Come on, Luke.
So good to see people get action, getting bent.
Wow.
Yeah, it does look like an ooh. God, the sun is coming out and it's getting hot, but let's send out Kirby's. Got some people last night, let's send them out. Yes. Freaking Kirby's bent. Nice. We got the gangy.
Oh, you get choke line for
Let's go.
Yeah,
Yeah, Kerbal. Gee.
Hockey slipper and on.
There's a flat tire. We get action, boys. Banana Roy. Table box. I cannot tell. Could be on. Yeah, Roy.
Roy.
Wait, you'll eat some Roy sashimi. Hey, boostables. Yeah, nice job, Curbs. Roy Town over here. How's it? Yeah, brother, Curbs. Oh, they're still on good side there.
Oh, yeah.
Pregos, maybe. That's definite.
Loaded, bro.
Oh, do you need assistance?
Oh, it's a flat tire.
All terrains down.
Wiggle. Oh,
This too.
destroyed.
Oh, fudge. Stuck.
Yeah, you're on.
Barako, ooh, Catchnkook. That's on Aha with a gator roll. Barako, ooh. Aha. Yes, Donny Strike, not on the drone today. Yeah. Oh, Papillo. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's guaranteed 10 inches.
You guys like them? I don't want them.
Well, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It brought out Coney and Kerbalicious, Catchnkook, they all left. But I'm excited to see how Catchnkook gonna make that Roy. He's gonna eat it. That 5-pound Roy, and he's gonna take it home and mop him. Roger that, guys. Don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we post another video. Aloha, guys. Mahalo. Shoot.
Nope, that's a fish.
That's a fish. Now we're on. Now we're on. Oh, it came off.